This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, along with the fish tank frame. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as a practice drawing sheet, a double-sided frame, glitter glue, embellishments and glue, stickers, scrapbook paper, blank paper, and a coloring page. Assemble your frame and remove the plastic protectant out of the frame. Begin by coloring on your coloring sheet all the animals. It is double-sided, so don't forget to also color the back. Out your sea creatures as closely as you can to the edge. Also, using your practice sheet, be sure to draw extra sea creatures on the blank paper. Now it is time to assemble them in your frame. Start off by laying down your waves, your sea creatures, your fish, and all the other animals. Add the moss and any other embellishments that you'd like inside your frame, and lay the top plastic protectant on top. Using clear Scotch tape will help attach the two sheets of protectant glass together and make it easy for it to fit inside the frame. Accessorize the outside of the frame using the gems, the shells, and all the other embellishments included. You can use the glitter glue for an extra touch. Double-sided fish tank is now complete. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more creative art ideas.